Okay, this is thick.
Okay.
Oh,
we can do it.
That was thick.
Mm.
Mmm.
I think that's so.
Mmm. So today we'll be having a K-BBQ party. We're currently located in Los Angeles right now, and it is a bit early for dinner time, but who cares? Everyone's always down for barbecue. But yeah, today we'll be introducing the proper way to eat K-BBQ and how to wrap a proper ssam. This is called the K-Ssam today. But before we begin, I want to introduce our special guests, Cathy and Ashley. So please introduce yourselves.
Hey guys, I'm Cathy and I am super excited to be here with Kevin Wu at his K-BBQ party to try the K-Ssam. And I already know I'm gonna love it and I just can't wait to try it.
Hi guys, I'm Ashley and I'm so excited to be here as well. I'm familiar with K-BBQ, but I never properly learned how to eat it.
Really?
Yeah, so
Oh my goodness.
I know.
Okay, you're in for a treat then today.
I'm just so excited to be here with you guys and let's learn how to K-Ssam.
Let's learn how to K-Ssam! Mwah. Before we begin, we also want to introduce the K-Ssam Meal Kit. This is the K-Ssam Kit with Kevin Wu, and it has all the must-have ingredients for K-BBQ. Let's go through this kit and see what's inside. Okay, so first of all, we've got kimchi. And then we have seaweed. Ooh. Alright, and let's go through some more. We have the kkaen-nip, which is the sesame leaf. Yeah, the sesame leaf. And it's already like in the soy sauce and it's marinated. And this is a must-have for K-BBQ. Wow. Rice. This is a must-have, you know, for anyone who lives alone. You don't have to live alone, but like literally this is a lifesaver. And last but not least, the highlight, the main attraction of this meal kit is the Ssam-jang. Yes, the Ssam-jang, if you guys don't know what it is a mixture of bean paste and also chili paste, gochujang. So it's doenjang and gochujang together. And this is, you know, what you need for K-BBQ because you dip the meat in the Ssam-jang and you put it in the ssam. And it has like this tangy, sweet, spicy taste. It's just like a burst of flavor.
It just makes it better.
Yeah. If anyone knows how to do a proper K-BBQ, they know that they need a Ssam-jang. You can get all the ingredients that we just introduced in the link in the slide right now. So in the banner, there will be a link. If you click that, you guys can purchase all of the wonderful ingredients that we just introduced.
Oh yeah.
What's your favorite so far?
Oh my gosh, I want to try so much.
You want to try so much?
I want to try everything first off because this is so new.
Oh, the kkaen-nip.
Yeah,
This is
sesame leaf.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so
Can we
good.
open it now or like?
Yeah, let's open it.
Okay.
I think there's an open one here, but let's get down.
Well, yeah. Is this also ASMR thing?
I don't want to like.
Wow.
Oh, it smells good. It smells
Oh, yes, smells like home.
Okay, we need to get this like souped version of this. Wow.
Yeah, you guys need to get a.
Okay.
Oh, it smells like home,
Can
honestly.
we just take a look inside?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna get
Oh
my
my
chopsticks.
God.
It's the same thing.
Hold on.
Oh no! Oops.
I'm gonna see if I can open this. Wow. Oh, look at that, guys.
Oh yeah.
Dude, this is
That is
legit.
such
Oh, you know how to do it. Oh my goodness. Such a pro.
Time to open the chopsticks.
Oh yeah, I'm
All right,
ready
yeah.
to eat.
And also, you guys cannot forget to use this. This is also, I did not know that this existed, but this is a pork belly onion sauce.
Huh?
So, if you go to K-BBQ restaurants, they give you like this bowl of raw onions. And no, this is not just like a salad. You don't just eat raw onion. They give you like this sauce that, you know, goes into this bowl, right? And this is exactly what they use.
Oh, okay, wow.
Yeah.
Wait, this stuff's so good.
It's so good. It's tangy, right?
We need some right now.
Yeah, make it
So,
right
it looks like this. 삼겹살, 양파, 절임 소스. You're like, whatever he
I'm
said.
gonna try this kidney first.
Ooh,
It's really good.
it's so good.
Kathy, the kimchi approves.
Oh my god.
That says a lot.
You know,
I need to
honestly,
eat with this meat.
like when I'm hungry and I don't like want to cook anything, I just get this and wrap it in the rice,
Yeah.
and that's like a meal.
That's
Literally.
perfect.
Literally.
Yeah.
Here, I will pour this for you.
Aww.
Oh, we all have onions.
yes.
Ooh, load it on. Look
Yep.
at that. Mm.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, I need this at home. I'm missing out.
This is like a single person's heaven.
I
Everything
Yeah.
just comes in a single serving. Bottle it up and
Bottle
go.
it up, yes. Oh, I already used the whole thing.
Oh my god.
Oh, I want to
Wait,
try
this is legit good.
the sauce. Oh.
Yeah. Wow.
That's refreshing.
Yeah, that's like,
Mm.
I'm very surprised. I think if you refrigerate this and then like have it cold with the onions, that would be really good too. I'm
Want to do
sorry.
the first shot before we eat, like
Okay,
kind of like
yeah,
a pre-game?
yeah.
Okay, let's do it.
Yeah.
Cheers!
Dun, 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 dun.
Cheers, guys! Okay, so how I usually like to eat my ssam. The first one, I like to just go all out because I want all the flavors at once. So I grab a piece of, is this romaine lettuce or just lettuce?
Oh, just
the
lettuce.
Just lettuce,
It's
okay.
Korean lettuce. Like,
Korean lettuce, because that's
Here
the
you go.
purple ends.
I'll cut it up for you because it's like pretty big. Here you go. I wash my hands. COVID friendly,
We
everyone.
washed our hands first.
And then I grab the sesame leaf. Here you go.
yes,
Thank
I can
you.
reach.
Oh yes, you can reach.
So,
Perfect.
do we just layer all of this stuff on over each other?
Yes,
and just
yes.
get down? All
And
right.
you know why I like to put the sesame leaf on top of the lettuce? It's because you know lettuce sometimes is very like, sometimes there's holes in it, and you don't want like the oils and the
Yes.
sauces to drip.
And it's juicy.
It's juicy, so
yeah,
I
yeah.
protect it with my I protect my leaf with my sesame leaf.
That's a good idea.
Yeah,
Okay,
right?
Okay.
Okay.
This is an art form.
It is an art. Oh my goodness. Okay.
I mean, if you don't like it, you don't have to put.
Yeah.
It's an acquired taste, right? Or.
Yeah, I believe not everyone is a fan of it, so we'll leave that up to your preference. Grab your pork belly and then dip it in the sesame oil just a little bit.
I dunked
it's okay,
I
it's
feel like
okay.
dunking
Yeah,
her.
however much you want. No one's stopping you. And then wrap it nicely in the lettuce. And then also, I like to put kkaen-nip in
Okay.
mine.
Extra
Oh.
good.
Like I said, I like to just go all out in my first bite because I want all those flavors.
So it's loading it up like a Korean taco burrito.
Like a taco burrito
I
type
love
of
that.
vibe. Yeah.
Oh, are we allowed to put the garlic and the mushrooms
Yes.
too?
You could put garlic,
So you
mushroom.
can
reaching
do whatever
over.
you want
Okay.
each bite, like change it up.
I like to put garlic in it too. And then what I do is I dip the garlic in the Ssam-jang.
Ooh.
Oh,
Yeah.
smart.
Yes. Okay. I'll just add it like this.
Garlic into the ssam.
Oh, that's a lot of Ssam-jang.
Yeah.
I'll do that too.
And then you could put kimchi in it, or you could put the onions in it, whatever you want.
Okay,
I like
kimchi.
to put, oh, Cathy the kimchi.
Yeah, I got it for Cathy kimchi. I'm gonna put it.
I like to.
Oh, it's so cute.
You guys should put a little kimchi too, just for that extra flavor.
Does this look right? It looks right, right?
It looks perfect.
Okay.
All right.
One bite challenge.
Okay, and then you just wrap it like this. You wrap it, and then it's just gotta be one bite. You can't cut it with your teeth.
You can't?
No, you just gotta put all in your mouth.
Oh, okay.
This is gonna be
Okay,
cute.
okay,
All right.
All right.
Say less.
So let's K-Ssam together and then eat it.
Okay, okay.
I know it's cheesy, but I gotta do it.
Okay.
Let's
K-Ssam. Okay, this is thick.
Okay.
Oh my God.
We can do it.
That was thick.
Oh.
Mmm.
I think that's so.
Mmm.
Mm.
Mmm. Give us a moment. I'm having a moment. All those different flavors. Mmm. I'm like, my mouth is like,
It's so juicy.
it's so satisfying.
We come back in 1 minute. We'll be there.
No, just wait.
Alright guys, we'll be back in a moment.
That's so good. That's so good.
Oh my gosh.
So good!
Okay.
That's so much flavor.
I can't like contain it. I'm like mind
I
blown.
need another. Right now. Oh wait. Okay. Can we
Wait.
try one with the mushroom?
Yeah. That is actually the vegan version of it. Good call.
Vegans at home. There
Yeah.
are options for you.
So if anyone is vegan and doesn't eat pork bellies or meat, you guys can do the K-Ssam with mushrooms. Okay, now that was the first Ssam. Now you guys can just make your Ssam.
Okay. My personal favorite, I just really, really love kkaen-nip. Perilla leaves.
Perilla leaves?
Yeah. Perilla leaves. And then I see jalapenos that we totally missed.
Oh my god, how did we miss that?
I know, I was like, I totally missed that earlier.
Oh,
Jalapenos
I'm sorry, jalapenos. Sorry for neglecting you.
And then garlic.
Oh, you like garlic? I can tell that you love garlic because you just kept reaching for it.
I love garlic. And then I double meat.
Double meat and with the
Yeah, because it
Ssam-jang.
was too big. My mouth is not that big.
Oh, okay,
It's
okay.
small.
She
So,
doesn't play
yeah.
around. Get it, girl.
Yeah, cut to the chase.
Wow.
Oh, yeah. Oh, and then
No stem.
No stem.
Pro move.
Oh my goodness.
Cathy.
Hot.
It's hot.
It's fresh off the grill.
Oh
Oh
wow.
my gosh.
As you enjoy that, yeah, let's see how you make your Ssam, Ashley.
I want to try the vegan version.
Ooh, yeah, go for it.
So I need you know what? I want to mix it up. Let's make this like very veggie filled.
Okay, you want the lettuce?
Yes, the lettuce, the perilla.
I ripped one.
I have the was it sesame leaf?
Sesame leaf or perilla leaves?
Perilla. All right.
Do you want jalapenos?
It's like the sliced Korean like pepper.
I live for cucumbers.
Cucumbers,
Can't forget
ooh,
these,
very
by the way.
healthy.
I just eat that on the side, but let's get a little jalapeno in here.
Was the jalapeno spicy?
Oh gosh.
Just enough? Oh yeah, we're Korean.
You should just eat the whole thing, honestly.
So
Oh,
this
the
is
whole thing.
oyster mushroom, right?
the king oyster mushroom.
King oyster mushroom.
Yeah.
This is very, I remember it's very like chewy, but like crunchy and meaty.
Yeah, it's like meat, honestly.
I'm so down. This is, guys, if you're on a diet, like, this is a good option. Or if you're just eating at home, very quick. What else should I put in? I do like the onion. This was so fresh.
Some people like putting rice in it. Do you prefer rice in it or no?
I actually like wrapping the rice like a piece of meat than the rice.
Yes,
Ooh,
yes,
ooh,
that's the
we'll
way
get
go.
to that,
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay, I'm just gonna go into
She's
She's
this.
like,
got excited so quick, yeah.
Okay, I'm just gonna. There's no pretty way to eat this, so
There's not.
No.
this is really
Not
quite
a
an
big
icebreaker. Tamil gets me that.
Oh, you did it.
Mmm.
Oh wow.
That's good.
The mushrooms are good,
That's
right? The mushrooms good.
But we got
Oh,
K-Ssam is
you know
really
what?
good.
You know what I love to
Yeah.
do? I like to cook my kimchi on the
Oh my
grill.
god, why did we not think of
That's
that?
Yes,
my
let's
favorite.
do
Why did
that.
we not
Let's do that. There's just so many ways. I think there's like a million ways to make K-Ssam.
Yeah.
Alright.
Literally put anything.
Yeah, because kimchi, when it's on the grill, it just brings out all the flavors, right?
And it's like just crispy. Kind of like that burnt flavor.
Okay.
Woohoo.
Okay, kimchi expert. Yes. So how I like to do it is, I like the perilla leaves.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Oh, no, that was a...
Okay, that was a double.
These are so
That was a double
underrated.
one.
These leaves are everything.
Yeah.
Such a good flavor.
And then I'll get a big chunk of meat. Yeah, the biggest one. And then, of course, my sesame oil. Yes, I will just
Oh,
add
wow.
another one. Yes. And yes.
Is this a double meat moment?
You
Yes.
just took the biggest one.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh no.
And I got more.
There
Just
are
keep
you
on going.
going. Keep on going.
I worked out this morning, so I deserve my protein.
Okay.
Of course, my onions.
The onions are
I'm just gonna steal one.
Yes.
Make
And
it-
then I love to put. I'm gonna put my cooked kimchi in.
I know.
Right, put my kimchi in the Ssam. And then I like to put a little rice in it.
Here.
Oh, thank you, thank you. Just a little bit of rice to hearty one bite. Okay.
That's a nice bite.
Yeah, that looks very.
This
very
is like a taco, right?
That's perfect.
Yeah.
That's
Oh my God.
perfect sound.
잘 먹겠습니다.
It's really yummy.
Why did ours look so?
Ooh. Mm.
Wow.
Guys.
Mm.
I love K-Ssam. This is so fun.
So good.
And I think we gotta wrap up today's K-BBQ party with Kevin Wu and Cathy and Ashley. And I just want to ask you guys, how did you guys feel today? Did you guys enjoy it?
Yeah, no, I absolutely loved it. There's like so many like little mini things like side dishes, you know, kimchi to rice to kkaen-nip, and I'm just like, man, I'm a mom, so like I don't want to cook, you know, I'm gonna buy all this. Get
Yeah.
the food box,
So
you know, just take
convenient.
it, you know. Buy.
And you know, sometimes going to like K-Town or like, you know, any barbecue place, it's kind of pricey. But if you just make it at home like this and make your
it's so much
own
cheaper.
some, it's so much more affordable.
And tastier.
And taste that homemade taste. How about you, Ashley?
First off, you made an amazing pork belly.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for having us. I think I learned just so much about how to make the ssam properly. And to be honest, this sauce is unreal, and you all need to get it for your next K-BBQ party.
And where can they get it?
You all know.
On the link. Right here or right here. Wherever it is, it's somewhere.
Link up here. Guys, make sure to enter because this is so fun. Get all your friends, family, do this together, and I'm just so grateful. Thank you for inviting us.
Thank you. And please, just promote to the world Korean food, Korean barbecue, K-pop, K-love, and
K-Ssam.
K-Ssam. Yes, and we will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.
Hope you guys liked it. Bye.
안녕.